गॉट इट। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइफ आफ्टर शार्क टैंक, तो वो जो चेक साइन होता है उसके बाद का पूरा क्या प्रोसेस होता है?
So see, the check is just a confirmation of the funding.
हाँ, so
You
it
don't get the
doesn't
money
mean
at that
कि वो
time.
मनी आपके अकाउंट में फ्लो इन
हाँ,
करेगा।
वो चेक
That
को
is
आप फ्रेम करके घर पे लगा सकते हो. It will be a very nice memory for you. But the main thing starts there. मतलब it's not the end of the story. It's actually the start of your next chapter, and which is much grander, much bigger because अब पूरा इंडिया देख चुका है आपको. So एक तरफ तो आपके नंबर्स आने चालू होते हैं बिकॉज जब आप शूट होते हो उसके 1 से 2 महीने 3 महीने के अंदर अंदर आप यूजुअली टीवी पे एयर होते हो. सो दैट ऑल्सो डजंट हैपन इंस्टेंटली. कुछ केसेस में इंस्टेंटली भी होता है. आई हैव बेसिकली स्पोकन टू फाउंडर्स हु जस्ट गॉट अ कॉल फॉर सम स्पेशल एपिसोड एंड गॉट थ्रू एंड पिच्ड ओवर देयर. So that does happen, but mostly there is this planned thing because they have a meticulous planning on how do they want to execute these things. So once that happens, उसके बाद में आपके शार्क से बात होती है, then they do a small diligence. They will ask you for documents. Once you have sent all of that, then you get to meet them, and then it's up to you, like any other relationship, right? Because they have committed their money. Now it's up to you what kind of help can you take from them. A lot of these guys have put in money in multiple companies, so they also have a process. But in our case, I believe we were the first investment from Varun on Shark Tank. We met him in Bangalore, had an amazing meeting with him, and today we have a WhatsApp group wherein if we need any help we can just ping him and he basically is there to guide.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम वरुण, किस और शार्क के इनसाइट्स मतलब आपको थोड़ा अमेज लगा कि अच्छा इनकी भी इतनी इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज है?
Honestly, like I said, we were misunderstood on the show. So a lot of insights that came were not very relevant. मतलब देखो, आपको एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर 100 लोग फीडबैक देते हैं. Everybody has not been in your shoes.
Right.
हम मतलब पहले अर्ली स्टेज फाउंडर जैसे जब मैं अपने आप को अपनी पिछली जर्नीज में देखता हूँ तो आप जनरली ना अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करने लग जाते हो उस टाइम पे, राइट? बट इवेंचुअली नॉट एवरी फीडबैक you have to take because कंपनी आप बना रहे हो, आपके हिसाब से बना रहे हो,
आप बेटर पोजीशन में हो समझने की.
हाँ, and it's you who's going to execute, right? Other person can come and give you a few things. So अगर उनको सही मार्केट की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती, I would have loved to get insights from all of them. I think they're all have built amazing businesses on their own. But I don't think they were able to understand, or maybe हमारा mistake था कि we were not able to make them understand what we were doing properly.
Right.
So it did not came out in that sense.